Hi guys, my name is Ragurama, studying 9th class and from ZPHS Lankapodaru, West Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. And my friend,
Hi guys, my name is Nagsai Kishore. I am studying 9th class.
we both make a project money safety locker. The materials used in this project is 9 volts HW battery, cloth drying clip, buzzer, switch and jumper wires. When anyone want to open the locker without our permission, automatically the buzzer can indicate us. And after they close the door, the buzzer does not stop the sound. And in that time, we can came out and catch the person who want to open the locker. It is very useful project to catch some cruel thinking persons. See this sir, in this project we can use a, a switch and one buzzer and a HW battery and one cloth drying clip. By this project, we can identify who are opening our locker. See this in this project, the plus wire. This is the plus wire. Where is it? This is the plus wire. I can connect this wire as a switch. When it was connects, see this sir. When it was connects, the sound will came from it. When it will dismiss or disconnect, the sound will stops. By like this has a bolt. Has a bolt, sir. We put this bolt in that project in that clip. The sound will stop, sir. When we open this door, the sound will comes. And we will put the bolt like this. The sound will stops. After that, we can like this, sir. By this project, unknown person want to open the door, the locker door. It can sound and indicate us. When they open like this, the sound will comes, and after they closing the door, the sound does not stop. We can came down and off the switch and catch the person who want to open the locker, and after that we can put the bolt like this, sir, and switch on the switch. Okay, thank you, sir. And this project by K. Ragurama and my friend Kishore. Thank you.